So here I logged into the Fusion instance. I'm going to AI Agent Studio. Like I mentioned earlier, you use AI Agent Studio for creating agents as well as create agentic apps. So here, when you use AI agents, you would have seen the agent teams, agents, tools, topics, deep link, business object. You might have even seen credentials. But when you update the latest version, monitoring evaluation and the apps will show up. This is where you will, when you go to app screen, this is where you will create the agentic apps. So if I understand correctly, if your release is more than 26B on the code release, then the agentic apps will show up in this agent studio. So these are the apps which are available right now, which are published. I'm going to show you how you can create an agentic app. For example, I'm going to create a production shift operations workspace, which is an agentic app. All I need to do is export this as a JSON, open this JSON file. So I'm using Microsoft Visual Studio. You can use Notepad just to rename the workspace name, as well as code, so that you can import it into the Agent Studio. Let's say 3. So I change the name, save. Now I'm going to import it here. Import, upload the JSON file. Let me import it successfully. Let me search for it or refresh it. See here. This is the one which I created just now. And as you can see, it shows an edit icon. So I can go to edit. Okay. So this is the agentic app which we just created. So I'm going to open it. And once I open it, this is the landing page. Here you can see the chat section, priority section, communication section, and the summary and insights section. Okay, so I'm selecting 002.org. Now the system is asking me to select the work center. So this is the way this particular workspace has been configured, but you can define a workspace where you don't need to ask the work center or an org using a list of values. You can just let you ask the question here or put the response here. System will automatically select it. I select this particular work center. Now I'm going to see the work orders which are active or delayed, and these are the OE metrics. And I can see the work center exceptions right here. I can make it bigger. These are the OE metrics. And the one thing I really like here is if you open the UI, you really have to configure the system to make sure you can see the metrics in a particular order. But here it shows in a nice way, horizontal way. And I can see the communications section here. So here what I'm going to do is, let's assume the shift is over and I want to create a shift report to be handed over to the next plant supervisor for the next shift. The system can automatically create a shift report for you based on any exceptions, how much quantity was completed that particular shift, how many was rejected. All I need to do is click generate content. It is going to generate it for you. I can put my email address. Once it's generated, I'll get this report in an email. All I had to do is just put email address in the to, and you can also put CC. You get a nice shift report. I haven't completed any work order at this shift. That's why it's showing 0. But once I complete it, all these fields will be populated. All I need to do is click send.